Health, a follow-up to a story we brought you Friday on treatment for chronic lung problems brought on by smoking. As our Gillian Neff reports, the pulmonologist we interviewed says he doesn't expect his patients who are trying to quit smoking to go cold turkey.
Folks on the front line helping people quit smoking say most people who've been smoking for years want to quit, and they say it usually takes trying to quit more than once before they make it happen.
I've had people in my office who are crying in front of me saying that it's impossible for them to give up smoking.
Pulmonologist Dr. J.D. Sadana of 203 Urgent Care in Stratford says he encourages patients to reach out for help. Dr. Sadana says using medication like Chantix can help reduce your urge for a cigarette, help you pass the physical addiction, and start healing.
If a smoker stops, what they're reducing is the day-to-day irritation to the lung. So I often give this analogy that if you have a scratch on your hand and you're waiting for it to heal, but every single day you continue to scratch it, it will never heal, it will eventually scar. And that is exactly what's happening inside their lungs.
And he says the addiction can be psychological too. So reaching for an e-cigarette, he says, may help you over the hump. A warning, though, pharmacists say some people are using their smoking cessation tools for too long. For example, some are wearing patches for months just to keep the nicotine in their systems. So doctors and pharmacists are now recommending that after you set that date to quit smoking, you also set a date for when you will stop using the nicotine products you've been leaning on to kick the habit. To get much more advice on how to quit from the American Lung Association, just go to our website, news12.com. In the newsroom, Gillian Neff, News 12 Connecticut.